In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Clickup list ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to make the most out of its comprehensive platform, understanding how to get the list ID can be exceptionally useful for customizing your workspace and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, we need to navigate to Clickup's main website. It's an all-in-one app designed to bring all your work into one place, boosting productivity and keeping everything organized. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Clickup URL. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your Clickup account. After you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the home area. This is like your dashboard where you can see an overview of your tasks, projects, and other important elements within your workspace. Now we need to switch to the space section. Spaces in Clickup act like containers where you can segregate your tasks and lists to keep everything sorted according to projects, teams, or any other categories that suit you. Once you've navigated to the space of your choice, your task is to locate a specific list you want the ID from. Click on that list to bring it up on your screen. Now, this is where the magic happens. At the top right of the list, you'll see a small icon that resembles 3 dots. This icon usually represents settings or more options, giving you the ability to manage various aspects of your list. Clicking on this 3 dots icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. One of these options is the ability to copy the ID of the list. Look for the option titled Copy ID and simply click it. This action will automatically copy the list ID to your clipboard. With the list ID now copied, you can paste it wherever you need, whether it's in a report, another application, or for API integrations. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Clickup list ID. This is a crucial step, especially if you're integrating Clickup with other tools or need precise documentation for your tasks. Having this ID handy can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency and ensure that everything is perfectly synced. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in assisting you with obtaining a Clickup list ID effortlessly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. See you next time.